Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing and making a paper airplane. So right now we're going to need just this paper. This piece of paper we're only going to need, and that's it. So let's start out by making our first fold, which is folding this in half as shown. It's a regular 10 by 8.5, just like that. Making that crease, open it again, and fold these two corners down the middle fold that we just made. Like that. Do the same thing with the other one. With the other corner. So, like that. Then you fold this down until you see at the end it's not like this, where you see there's like a straight right here. Try and make it like this line to be like basically just fold this all the way to the end of this right here. Make it like that. And now you're gonna fold this like that, and then you're just gonna make a tiny little, like, rip out a little piece of square like this. Like that. It's kind of a square. And then open it again, and then just fold this side of like both of them until like this makes a perfect triangle. Not like the other ones where like you have to make it a little bit like dented, like this. This time it's gonna be straight. Like it has a straight nose instead of a dull. And then you see this left over, just turn it around like that. And then just turn it over like that. Just make sure it's good. And now it's not going to be the wings folding down, it's going to be the middle. You're going to fold it a little up on this crease that we just made. We're going to fold it up a little like this, and then just fold it, and then just fold it in half like that. So there you have this thing in here. Like that. And now you can fold down the wings all the way, just like so. And do it on the other side, just like that. And then, wait a second, I forgot to do this again. And now you have this straight-nosed airplane with this on the back. So yeah, just like that, it's an airplane. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and so please leave a like, smash that subscribe button, comment down, and share this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.